Hi, my name's Chris from Journey Beyond Overland, and today we've been sent a cab cover for the Gladiator from LED Factory Mart. Looks like it also comes with a bag. Right here on the side, the silver is on the inside, the black's on the outside. Right here, there's actually a zipper, so that once you get the cab cover on, if you need to open your front door, driver's door for any reason, you can do so. Both sides of this cab cover, it has 3 different adjustable straps, so you can tighten it down. There's nothing specific you need to strap them to. It's really up to your discretion what you want to strap it to. So this particular cab cover is waterproof, so you can use it either as a vehicle cover, or primarily it's to keep water, snow, other elements out, especially if you have your doors off. This cab cover also, as I mentioned before, has this little zipper right here. If you do need to get into your vehicle, obviously make sure you unstrap the strap right there, that you are able to open your vehicle a small distance. You can't open it all the way unless you were to take off this entire portion. The other thing that this particular top would be functional for is if you have a hard top, you take out your freedom panels and you have those somewhere and you don't want to put those back on. This would also help with that. Keep in mind that if it's not stretched taut and it rains overnight, you may have pooling of water here and you're going to want to push that out before you try and take the cover off. Otherwise, that water may fall into your front seats. This cab cover also has this reflective tape. This particular tape is going to show up in the dark. Somebody's headlights hit it, so if you're parked on the side of the road, side of the trail, something like that, hopefully somebody with headlights on is going to see that, so they're not going to run into your vehicle.
This cab cover was pretty easy for me to put on by myself, even with a little bit of wind and cold. But what about taking it off again? How easy is that? The weatherman was calling for snow that night, so we left it on to see how easy it would be for me to take it off in the morning.
Good morning. So as you can see, it didn't snow last night, but I still got to get ready for work and I still got to take this off though. Drive to work this morning. We'll see how it goes. Apparently I have furry helpers. There you go, simple and easy.
Hi, I'm Bill with Journey Beyond Overland. Today we're talking about the LED Factory Mart cab cover, and I just want to talk about some things I like about it, and I do have a few things that I'm not necessarily liking about it. What I do like is the nice top to it. Price point is good. They're generally selling for around $90, $89.95 from what I've seen online. It's good if you don't have the hard top on and you're parked in the parking lot at work and you know rain might come up. I think it'd be great for that to keep the excess rain out. It's not going to get on the seats. It's not going to hit your dash or your gauges. I would question if maybe some of the water might make its way on the floorboard anyways, because it doesn't cover all the way down, but still a lot better than nothing at all, which has happened to me many times. I question maybe the quality of the zipper. It did come apart on us once and we got it back, so maybe it'll be fine. I like the reflective strips. It would be nice if you're parked along the street outside in front of the house, so it makes it more visible. Security wise, you know, obviously if somebody wants in, they're going to be able to get in, but if you don't have your top of your doors on, at least things are out of sight, out of mind, so it would give me peace of mind in that regard. Might be good at camp. If you think it's going to snow the night before, you can cover it up and then won't have to get that snow off of there when you take off in the morning. Overall, I think it's worth the money. Give it a try.
Now this is exactly the kind of weather that you might like to have a cab cover while overlanding. But even for all those other adventures, the ones where it looks like it'll be sunny and beautiful with no weather, you might want to take it along just in case. And if you're curious where that cab cover might go with us over the next few years, I hope you'll go to Journey Beyond Overland and check out our library of adventures, because it could go just about anywhere. Thanks so much for joining us, and I hope in the meantime, until you join us again, that you'll go out and find your own adventure.